up? This is Lauren and we are here at Universal Orlando Resort for another Jurassic roller coaster update. And we have Dan here. Oh, hi Dan.
Hi, you ready to go?
Yes, let's take a look inside.
Let's go.
Duh. Yep, you already know where we're at. Islands of Adventure. Alright, so it's about 3:30. Ticket windows, nobody's there. Turnstiles on the right, nobody. Turnstiles on the left are open, and it's not going to be much of a wait to get through. Of course, like usual, no wait to get through security, temperature checks, or through the turnstiles, and we're in. Alrighty guys, let's check out the wait times, and I know you may be thinking, why do you always show this? Well, it's a good guide to just how busy it is in the parks all the time. Park is open until 6. Let's see, Incredible Hulk 35 minutes, 5 minutes for the rest of the rides, 35 minutes for Kong, P-Flyers 5 minutes also, 20 minutes for Forbidden Journey, Flight of the Hippogriff 15 minutes, Poseidon's Fury 45 minutes, 35 minutes for the Hogwarts Express, and some of the other smaller attractions 5 minutes, Popeye and Bluto's 10 minutes, Jurassic Park River Adventure 10 minutes, and Dudley Do Rides 5 minutes. Hello Jurassic Roller Coaster Project, and guys, just look on the left side of your screen. They are completing one of the first elements after that first launch. There's a dude just hanging on the edge of that track. Popeye and Bluto's, and normally we'd be going that way to check out some of the construction by the water, but let's get to the action. Remember yesterday when some of that theming element was going in? Well, a lot more has been placed. Looks like everything is in place. Just need to take the straps off and we're done. Alright, the straps are loose on the left side for the crane. So that side is done. There it goes. We're loosening the straps now. This piece is almost fully complete. There it is. So I'm thinking, guys, that the first half of the ride is complete. So the only thing left is the top hat, I'm guessing. But yeah, I think all the track in this area is done. Somebody buy these guys a beer. They deserve it. And the crane now is going to be doing a lot of theme work from here on out. It's doing a little slow crawl right now, and we can actually see some of that Saharan dust as well, way up in the atmosphere. Forbidden Journey lockers. And well, nothing has changed and it's going to stay this way for a little while. Normally we go this direction to show you some of that oscillating helix. Well, we showed you a lot of that oscillating helix, so not today. Moving on. I know, you must be thinking, another ride on Hagrid's? Well, yesterday we had a 5-minute wait. Let's see how long it takes today. Alright, so we're not walking through as quickly today. We stopped right outside the station building. So it should only be about maybe 15-20 minutes. We're bypassing the show building right now. So one of the show scene rooms bypassed.
And enjoy the rest of your day here at Universal Orlando Resort.
Line is moving quickly though, I will say that. We are in the final room before boarding. It's only taken about maybe 5-10 minutes so far. Not bad. Alright, so we didn't wait 5 minutes this time. We waited 10. But again, terrible wait. It's unbearable. I can't wait that long. Can you?
No, I mean, it was a trial, but I made my way through.
Yeah, and I don't know if you just heard that. That was definitely some thunder. So the ride, I guarantee you, just shut down. They made a speed, I think. So Hagrid's is closed. We just got a ride. Woo! Woo! Well, that's a little bit different. The forms are off and the concrete is set right there on top of the pile. That's good. Come on, Top Hat. What are you waiting for? After what we've seen today, all that is left to install track-wise is for the brake run, the S-curve, and the top hat, which hopefully is all going to be done within the next week and a half. Of course, we'll let you know on that. Alright, so the last couple times we've been here, we saw these work walls up. We just didn't cover in our updates, but they had the lemonade stand here. While it's getting a little refurbishment, we now have some new color for the frame. Well guys, that's once again going to do it for another update here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic roller coaster project. I am happy to say crews have installed about 5 pieces of the track within the last 24 hours, and it looks like the first portion of the attraction is all done. So all we need, like I said, top hat, S-bend, brake run, and then the layout is complete. Of course, we're thinking the top hat hopefully is going to go up sometime in the next 2 weeks. We're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.